So when I uploaded a video of sprints the other day, someone emailed the website and said they're thinking about doing the same thing, but how long should you spend doing HIIT sprints? Wow, I look like a hobo today. Don't want no part of this, none of the above. Don't want no part of this, none of the above. Alright guys, just finishing off today's sprint workout. That's the last one. Oh, it's gone through the roof. So when I uploaded a video of sprints the other day, someone emailed the website and said they're thinking about doing the same thing, but how long should you spend doing HIIT sprints? Wow, I look like a hobo today. Well, this sort of training, don't treat this like you would regular cardio in the gym. It's a lot more intense. I want you going for it during the sprints. So what I like to do is I'll set a block of say 45 minutes maximum, maybe not even that long to begin with. You're looking at a good 10-minute warm-up. Here we go, 10-minute warm-up, 10-minute cool down. So there's 20, and then you've got 25 minutes to play with. Try and fit as many maximum intensity. I like to do 60-meter sprints. The track's marked here, which is quite handy, but you're looking at 10 seconds or less. Maximum intensity, and then fit as many of them into that little 25-minute block as you can. If you're not very fit to begin with, you might find you only get, say, 5 or 6 sprints into that time, because you'll need recovery before you do another one. The fitter you get, the more sprints you can do, because you're going to recover faster. Like the other day, I did a sprint, I walked back. By the time I got here, my heart rate was pretty much back to normal. In the early stages of HIIT training, you might get back to the start line, still feel wrecked, so you need to take another few minutes. So that's how you play it, but don't get longer and longer workouts as you get fitter. Just get more intense, more sprints in the time. Base it on your heart rate. Okay, I gotta get back to the gym. See you later.